All right, hello. I did a thing yesterday that I am very happy about, and probably nobody else will be, but here it goes. So I'm making a little hobby app so that I can get my content out of Kindle Notes. And one thing an application needs is an icon, and I cannot do Figma or other design tools. I don't know, I struggle with them. So no problem. Let's generate an icon with Midjourney or whatever AI tool, right? Yes and no. Good news is that, yeah, sometimes they generate something beautiful, but I am not that great with prompt engineering so that it would put something prominent, something big enough. So I figured, hey, why don't I design my icon as a SwiftUI view? And well, that's common, right? Let's take a look here. I just made an icon as a SwiftUI view. Nothing fancy here. It's just a little icon. It's just a background, a color gradient. It's a pretty subtle one. It's a little bit lighter in there in the center. And then a group of two icons. One is this yellow bookmark with another gradient, a little bit or more red in the corner, and a little text quote icon as well. And then it's clipped. You don't have to clip it. And in fact, Apple says don't clip it for iOS. But interestingly, Mac OS Mac apps have to have this rounded corner icon to be nice and beautiful. And it's of whatever size we want. Okay, great. But that's in SwiftUI. How do we get it out? Well, you can grab UI image data out of your SwiftUI view with this little snippet. I'll try to post it along with the recording. And then you can make the little host view that's going to show you your icon with the save button here. And the nice thing about this is that you don't even have to run this application. You don't have to make a target. You don't have to build a utility. If you are doing a Mac Catalyst app, you can just choose Mac Catalyst preview, run the preview. You can just save the icon file. And then with the icon file, you can go to whatever web tool that's going to generate a bunch of icons of all sizes. Where is it? Yep. And that you get for free. And now this is a slightly different icon with black gradient instead of red gradient, but you get the idea. Good luck. Hope it helps someone make a good icon. Cheers.